research and development, retail, social services, technology, transportation, and travel and tourism sectors, and for manufacturers who wish to transform the way their office areas operate to better support the delivery of value to customers. We set out to address three significant disconnects we frequently see in organizations. 1. Many organizations remain unfamiliar with value stream mapping as a methodology, a foundation for lean business management, and a means to build outstanding organizations. As a result, they are slower to achieve measurable improvement and to adopt customer-centric thinking. 2. Many of those organizations that have adopted value stream mapping are underutilizing the methodology because they don't fully understand the why, what, and how of the approach, especially in office, service, and knowledge work environments. Failure to involve leadership, employ cross-functional teams, and include relevant metrics, for example, often results in subpar future state designs that collect dust. 3. Many organizations are misusing value stream mapping and, as a result, not reaping the full set of benefits the approach offers. For example, using value stream mapping to map at a process level misses the entire point of value stream mapping, viewing work systems from macro-level perspectives in order to create organization-wide alignment. It is our hope that you'll use this book to begin using value stream mapping as a means to manage your business, or for organizations with value stream mapping experience, as a resource to reflect and see how you can improve the effectiveness of your value stream mapping efforts. There are too many business problems to be solved and too many opportunities to be leveraged to operate without a highly effective means for accomplishing the important work to be done. Some notes about this book. 1. While we wrote this book to specifically address value stream mapping in office, service, and knowledge work environments, much of the content also applies to production value streams within manufacturing. Since we've included detailed content about who should map, how mapping should be planned and conducted, and what steps need to be taken after mapping, those in manufacturing will also benefit from these considerations. 2. This book focuses on the benefits of value stream mapping, how to plan for and conduct value stream mapping activities, and how to manage value streams to sustain the gains and drive ongoing improvement. It's beyond the scope of this book to address ways for solving specific value stream problems and leveraging opportunities that may exist. While we refer to potential tools and countermeasures, they are not explained in detail. There are volumes of books written about nearly every type of lean tool. Value stream mapping facilitators need to possess proficiency in using the full spectrum of potential countermeasures. 3. It's a challenge to write a book that every reader sees as meeting his or her very specific needs. All too often, people have difficulty applying concepts to their own environment and become overly concerned with the specifics of examples given rather than focusing on the concept itself. When we began writing this book, we planned on including value stream maps from various industries and settings in the body of the book to illustrate the how-to elements of mapping. Midway through the writing process, we decided to, instead, teach the step-by-step process for creating maps by using a generic map that could apply to any environment. We made this decision to assure the highest degree of learning and to minimize the distraction that could result if a reader has difficulty seeing the conceptual similarities, for example, between patient flow and software development, or between litigation and designing a commercial structure. We use the generic map throughout the book to illustrate the progressive nature of building a value stream map. 4. For clarity, expediency, and publishing ease, we've relied on iGraphics Flowcharter to create electronic versions of the value stream maps we've included in this book. Please don't assume that value stream maps must be put into some sort of electronic form. On the contrary, we first create maps using paper and Post-its on a wall, and recommend that you do as well. That said, digitizing a manually produced value stream map provides an easier way to share, store, and revise the maps. If your value stream map is fairly simple, taking a picture